it's KyReviews and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be reviewing this wig. It's from the Cutie collection and this is in the style CTP52 in the color DX/gold. And at first when I looked at the picture I wasn't really feeling it on the model, but when I tried it on it looked really nice. I like this wig a whole lot. And I know this is like my third bang wig so far, but this one is really nice. What I like the most about this wig is the bang of it. How it's chopped, the chopped bangs. That's what I like the most about this wig specifically. And the color, it works really well with me. And it is thin, it's not too thick, which is good because I don't like hair that is too thick and it gets all rough and ugly looking after a while. This one is lightweight and it's pretty thin, but not thin enough for it to show tracks, if you know what I mean. So this is what the stock card looks like here. It's actually from the Newborn Free brand, so this is what the model has on. She has like the dark bit at the top and then the blonde at the bottom. I have the reverse version of it, and it is heat safe up to 350 degrees, so you can curl it or straighten it out once it gets matted at the ends. It doesn't come in a variety. It does come about like 10 different colors. I will leave that in the description bar below so you don't miss out on which colors you can choose. But this here is really cute. I like it. It's very nice. I like it a lot. And this has like a short bit, like a say 14, and then it will go into like an 18-inch probably. It may look a little longer on me because I'm short, so yeah. This is what the color is looking like in the back. So it's very nice. This wig has one comb in the front and one comb in the back with adjustable straps. So the comb in the front is a little larger, so it's kind of like a half a wig, but not that long. It's like from here to here, and it fits really well on my head. So if you have a larger size head, it will work for you, and if you have a smaller size head, well, it will work for you too. But anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to tune in for more videos. I will be posting regularly, so look out for those videos. Take care and have a good day. Bye.